And so as the PTA officials po, kay schools, kay dili maka-create o nilot na school kung wala po sa support sa parents.
So you can just give hug and kiss to your
was enough that she could be.
So congratulations, our little sporty kid. Today, you have graduated from kindergarten. And tomorrow, the world is yours to explore. And keep fighting lang din tayo always mga langga ko, no? Mama and Papa were here to support you, whatever happens. And we're so proud of you na naman, Kuya Dila namin. We love you and thank you for watching. Babush!